Hello everyone and welcome back to English Learner Club, the place where learning English feels like talking to a friend. I am Emily.
Yes, a very warm welcome to all our wonderful learners around the world. We are so happy you're here with us today.
So, Paul, how are you today?
Emily, I'm great. I had a big breakfast, I slept well, and I finally cleaned my room.
Wow, that is breaking news. Call the newspapers.
Yes. It only happens once every 6 months.
Ha ha ha, I believe that.
And you, Emily, how's your day going?
I'm good. Excited, actually, because today's video is very important for our learners.
Important? Should we tell them the title, or should we keep it a secret? Forever?
Paul, they literally clicked the video. They already know the title.
Oh yes, that makes sense. But let me pretend it's a big dramatic reveal. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, English lovers around the world, today we start the Ultimate Tenses series.
Yes. Welcome to English Tenses Complete Guide 12 Tenses Overview.
Dun dun dun.
Relax, Paul. This is English class, not an action movie.
And guess what? This is the first episode of our new tense series. We will give you the full overview today, and then each tense will have its own episode.
By the end of this video, you will understand what 12 tenses are, when to use each tense, simple examples you can use in daily life.
Let's start the journey. We use the present simple for daily routines, facts, and habits. Things you do again, and again, and again.
Examples. I wake up at 7. She likes tea. The sun rises in the east.
Emily, do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, Paul. And you?
I drink coffee every hour. My blood type is basically C for coffee.
Ha ha ha. That explains a lot. We use the present continuous for actions happening right now, this moment. Examples. I am watching this video. She is cooking. They are playing football.
Emily, what am I doing right now?
You are talking too much, Paul.
Exactly. That is my superpower. We use the present perfect for a past action with a result now. Examples. I have finished my homework. She has visited London.
Paul, have you eaten lunch?
No, but I have thought about lunch. Does that count?
No, Paul. Thinking is not eating. We use this tense for actions that started in the past and continue now. Examples. I have been studying for 2 hours. She has been working all day.
Emily, how long have you been teaching English?
For many years.
Ah, that's why you're so good. Experience level, master.
We use this tense for finished actions, things that are done, completed, over. Examples. I watched a movie yesterday. She cooked dinner.
Emily, I cleaned my room yesterday.
Wow, write that down. It's history now.
We use this tense for actions in progress in the past. Examples: I was sleeping at 10 p.m. They were running in the park.
Paul, what were you doing last night at 10?
I was dreaming about pizza.
Of course, I should have known. Used for an action that happened before another past action. Examples: I had eaten before he arrived. She had finished her work before dinner.
Emily, I had never met you before this channel.
Your life was so boring before then.
True. Now it is. Still a little boring, but better. Use for something that was happening for a period of time before a past moment. Examples: he had been studying for 3 hours before the test. She had been waiting for the bus.
This tense is perfect when you want to show duration in the past. We use will for promises, decisions, and predictions. Examples: I will call you. It will rain.
Emily, will you buy me coffee?
No, Paul, I will not.
My heart is broken. We use going to for plans and predictions with evidence. Examples: I am going to travel. Look at the clouds. It's going to rain.
So if you planned it, going to. If you decided now, will. We use this for ongoing actions in the future. Examples: I will be working at 5 p.m. They will be sleeping.
Tomorrow at 7. I will be eating breakfast.
Thank you, Paul. Very deep, very important.
We use this tense for something that will be finished before a future time. Examples: I will have finished by tomorrow. She will have traveled by next year.
It's like looking into the future and seeing your homework completed.
Congratulations! Today you learned all 12 English tenses in the simple, clear, friendly way.
And this is just the beginning. Each tense will have its own full episode with examples, practice, and fun conversation.
So make sure you subscribe, like the video, continue the series, practice speaking every day.
And remember, English becomes easy when you learn with English Learner Club.
Thank you for watching, everyone.
Take care, everyone. See you in the next lesson.
Bye.
Bye.